Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail R. Carmelim bringing to the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Government officers participates in a cleaning drive in Pindeng Umyong. Education Minister announces new teacher positions at Sngaps Aim College, Maukarwan. KHADC cracks down on unauthorized stone crushing machines in Marwet. And West Khasi Students' Union strongly opposes secretive log sales by District Territorial Forest Division. And now the news in detail. In a concerted effort to promote cleanliness and environmental consciousness, the Office of the Deputy Commissioner of East and West Khasi Hills District, led by G. Kharmauplang, in collaboration with Hima Nongklao and Pindeng Umyong Mairang, organized a program centered on the theme Garbage Free India on September 29. The event, attended by a notable gathering, featured speeches and participation from key figures, including Deputy Commissioner G. Kharmauplang, who eloquently addressed the audience on the significance of maintaining a clean environment. Among the distinguished guests was Aim of Hima Nongklao by PM Simle, the Executive Engineer of PHE Mairang, the Chief of Pindeng Umyong, and government officers representing various departments. Residents of the locality also joined hands with government officials in a unified cleaning drive. On September 29, the Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma graced Sngaps Aim College in Maukarwan as the chief guest during a significant meeting held in the college conference room. During the gathering, Minister Sangma made a major announcement that the government had allocated funds for the creation of 24 new teaching positions at the college. In his address to the media and attendees, Minister Rakam A. Sangma expressed his gratitude towards MLA Renekton L. Tongkhar for his dedicated efforts into overseeing the college needs and development. He also commended the relentless hard work and dedication of the college students. The event was attended by several notable figures, including MLA Renekton Lingdok Tongkhar, HM Shangpliang, Advisor of Education, the college principal, and other esteemed guests. Furthermore, a special moment of recognition was observed during the gathering, honoring the outstanding achievements of Sngaps Aim College students in the Nehru Inter-College Athletics Championship 2023 held recently in Shillong.
College in handle the principal of this college. From Assam, acting as a former chief minister, he was saying, no, Khasi is not fit to be the tribals. They should not include under tribals category. Khasi should not be included under tribal category. They were saying, why? Don't think otherwise. They were praising our tribes. Because why they are saying like that? Because that time the tribals in all the backward people. The literacy of the Khasi at that point of time was at the highest, at the top, among the tribals, among the Assam, Minority state. They were saying, I think, since Khasi is too much advanced, they are not worthy to be put in the backward category. We should follow it. From the day one, many years back, we are at the top. And even today, we are second to none. Therefore, that stature, that glory, we should continue as a state. Therefore, institutions, we have the capacity to take our step forward. Therefore, last my point, I think, will not mind, if I mind, please forgive me. There was a debate in assembly, just concluded assembly. One of our honorable members was on my subject, was debating. I think you're aware. Meghalayas, don't mind for saying this, Meghalayas being ruled by Kumar, by Bhattacharya, by anybody outside the state. I like that statement. I like it. But we should not take it other way around. Yes, it is true. We should admit, we should accept, but we should not take other way around. But I want to tell you today, that statement should be our challenge.
Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC, along with Gabriel Waalang MLA, Arun Kens Aim, the Aim of Right Marwet, and Victor Rani, MDC of Jirang, law enforcement agencies under the supervision of Superintendent Albrecht S. Lanong, along with the Nyothrep National Youth Front, conducted a thorough inspection of trading license and required documents from businesses in the area of Killing, Meghalaya, on September 29, 2023. During the inspection, the authorities discovered a significant number of stone crushing machines operated by non-tribals lacking the necessary trading license and documentation. Some individuals attempted to claim that these machines belong to tribal owners, but the KHADC did not accept these claims. Instead, they issued a stern warning demanding that the machine owners present the proper documents within 7 days. Otherwise, their operations would face lockdown. Following this operation, EM Gigur Mirthong and the team proceeded to Umbuda, where they encountered a stone crushing factory identified as MS Concord Stone LLP, allegedly owned by Ivan Tlingdor. An employee of the factory attempted to hastily collect the required documents and flee the scene, but the law enforcement agencies swiftly apprehended the individual. The HNYF also took measures to secure the machinery suspecting irregularities.
Local MDC, Batya Pak Gabriel, pada MLFC balawan senang lang mentasi. Kani kejingwan jungi mentasi kalong kabadon kam nakabenta jungi kum ka department namal ngabat kum IM jong katret ta lakba live nae ina kaling jungi ngikwa pan wan jurip man kapor kam ta be saboda re namal boleh ngilap bah hangne kibun ki Kibumdon, hamtame hak trading license pun hilap menhakane ni ai itu ka closer notice adut saupun jutli. Bat kidang don sipun angnya hapo bodar Kibumdon trading license. Ni wang entas ni hamtame ya ketika killing. Amar hamte pun ki babu crosser, ki babu dukan, angta ki babu kini ki factories na block. Pikun gitu ki ngintip laki don license ne don ne na tara ni wan khang mentas ni ban jurip pa ki don ne ke trading license ingilap pa mentas ni ki don ki badon don ki bondon don ki pa marsuan mangi kilaya pet krat balik ki pet na gadau pa kindon kada don di balik ki pet na kito ki bar pa ki puni ba bun na ki don trading license ne tingila ai ka sokos notice ki banwan hapo nyoter hapo news ni kimuan aku news ni kemudian di enforcement jungi ki inspektor jungi ki sawan bank ban budin bank ekne haga bedai bara ngilap bagi penmi ba kadai jong driver kadai jong kasi jungi ya pun itu min pensisa suai ke kot ada milap ba kile binami kemun adon ka ak ni inle kat pun ka an kendrai kalau trading license kan mau continue bai agaleng jungi bat mentang ni adon ka jing perkhat pangimbu lighting mangne nang ba kinla pan kobar ya bar fa angne hapo ere jong mane khana para ne bari duara di killing sa tu ketiga piling kata si barokat dai bat ketu ba ngila de khang menakane dau CM demi katu barokat ngimpat la ban le namar ba kimpat wan ban produce ikut Islam halor ka jinglap jungi mene aga bedai bat ki nongtre apo ketu ka karkhana bat kini ki krosar ngilap papun ki barjelas sudah ikane kalong kai ka ba ngims mutna namar ba nakaleng jonga ku em babat ya ka threat masid ong hi barabor ba kidai ban engagement lakun no kumno 50% kidai ki brujungi ndre mentangas ni ngilap ba tangwe na kispongun te kalong kai ba bums mutna nakaleng jonga bat yakane ngin sala bor siaw ie menchat jonga lebor bat ki bag ni de ban de ngin sale bat ngerpat wi yau paim pakun kini ki barokhat nim de ban ailat namar ki de ban aikam aijam ye ki brujungi khamtam haga bede bat ki lebor namar ki lebor nila ban tre ndre kiwe kam le sing nimla ban tre ndre kun kini ki batre hakar khana ki don ki bun ki khna jungi ki la ban tre ki de ban sim ye ki khna jungi ndre te kam don jingut ke.
In a recent development, the West Khasi Students' Union, WKSU, has expressed vehement opposition to the District Territorial Forest Division to office for allegedly conducting secret sales of logs from various government-controlled locations without proper public notice. Under the leadership of President Disun, representatives from the WKSU engaged in a meeting with the District Territorial Forest Officer to address this issue. During the meeting, they urged the forest officer to reconsider the decision to sell logs until a comprehensive public notice is issued through the media. Speaking to the media, WKSU President Disun revealed that there were concerns about logging activities at 3 specific locations where the department had failed to issue any public notice. These locations included the Nongstoin Nongjuri, Mahesh Kola Roads, Mairang, and the residential areas of department office in Mauklam, Nongpendeng. President Disun urged the department to release public notice about such development activities through the Directorate of Information and Public Relations to reach the wider public rather than merely posting notice within the confines of the office.
Kalau kawai kalau bersirok Nongstoin Nongjuri Mahesh Kola, but kabaa ketika disposal of raw logs under Mairang range, ketika let's say ketika office yang ketika tenat, berkalai kalau pan kelam no ikiting pan auction no ikiting kubit aka jakal jong kasorka ta mo klom nom pendeng ka jakal de jong ki officer ka kuota jong ki judicial officer de hode mulai ni kasen kolong ba nakaleng ka tanat forest hajing sha la de ban penmena pai ba lang ba ki la Taekwondo la de la lang ba ki kasi daily news la ne kuat kubur padang lan wat aki regional kuat kubur dari nakalian kedai kopi sapanya lalu ikan tu marmar akan fruitrik nakalian officer dia pula pensai ini kalau bah nakalian ke office kalau wah aki nak sebut harga dia tinggi guna bandilam yang tinggi kubit badan kita jaga serta but ulang kubur bah nakalian tu klaim sam sekilat pakai kubur apa bat gede wele berkena kecing auction nililam no ini kiting kubit de nakale ngaseng kila keren syai kalau ba lakuno apa pikot auction ane nililam no ini nuki mata wele jom kasarkar kalau ba nakale ka office kali men pai ba kanang ba baro ki pai ba mungkin aktif lah ya kam jom kasarkar walau katkum kan diterkam jong kasokar lagi prosedur kam sudah tabaan pada poin kelong ba sakawai kelong bang ikut aban biaya ban kelong ba nak kalian bu nikir pat ul air dak jing tho ka juga pot ya forest officer kalau ba padun haidin kan on review be kan mana ban re-auction dia kata kada jingkat pad ke seng laba ke jingtro pas ko itu point kalau ba habe dia bakal ka jing ti parmau dekat company ang teh lau jeli kelana kaseng kalau mau peneka penpau ke jisokia ke bang ti company kalau syuti mau pathar kan kini di permit yang dijingbet lala be naka sorka dan naka forest department dan naka lengka district council lo but what naki Shillong kitharu bagi iba ketika company ka sudah dan bot podcast penibot tanam ta pansna itu surok kami kami surok ko awang mabantu di surok baik long baki iba ni takut kita sedia rekam iba pendap bagi kita iba yo ai kita kijinga kita kijingbet ibana ki naki tena bakar kan panne pan naki Shillong bakar baru kata kada kawe kalau mai lajing to yo ha abade bene ha forest officer bad kami ye kane baduni la kundu nak kalian ka nak kada yang pesan esho ala kada don kajing le bantuan ne kal kajing bom pendiang nak kalian ka company ha bade pendiang di kot selalu nanti jing ne kami kajing yo jing be nak nak apa ya abade bane nak kalian kesen ka kada budin nak puasa kapot pada community bakalian kada tingkat nak kan le ka badan kam pada kesen ru kasap sim dak kilap kanti ke bakame lada.
The Office of the District Swachh Bharat Mission, in collaboration with the PHE Department Marak, organized a spirited marathon for the youth of East and West Khasi Hills District on September 29. The event was held in celebration of Swachhata Hi Seva 2023, known as the Swachhata Run competition with the theme Garbage Free India. The marathon commenced at 7 a.m. from the office of the Deputy Commissioner at Mausawa and concluded at the office of the PHE in Mairang, covering an impressive distance of 14 kilometers. The event attracted participation from hundreds of enthusiastic young boys and girls from the district, all dedicated to promoting cleanliness and environmental responsibility. In a fierce competition, Wanbok El Mauplang emerged victorious among the boys, while Ibashonkun Kurba claimed the top position among the girls. Both winners were awarded a cash prize of 5,000 rupees in recognition of their remarkable achievements. The leaders of the Meghalaya State Olympic Association, led by Working President John F. Khashing and accompanied by Chief Technical Officer of the Athletics Federation of India, G. Krishnan, held a press conference at the Shillong Press Club today to provide updates on the preparations for the second Sora International Half Marathon scheduled for September 30th. As of 3 p.m. today, a remarkable turnout of more than 1,300 participants has registered for the marathon. The breakdown of participants includes 300 runners for the 21-kilometer race, over 500 for the 10-kilometer race and over 300 for the 5-kilometer category. Additionally, 14 schools from the Sora region will be represented by 1,300 enthusiastic young runners. The second Sora International Half Marathon is set to witness a diverse field of runners with 6 international athletes from Kenya joining the event.
Seorang bah leader dunia utama penting ini cukup keren kesal ketua dunia utama cuma mungkin sedang di negara macam step tiga kuka jing di Saudi berwan berkenal yang baru di nomor bagian one point Saudi step in one Saudi step bus can be take Sanduna antena Porki jaga Melabu antena Oasis dan menjong ke bus ke bawah 2 km menjong ke 10 km menjong ke 1 km menjong jadi nomornya 1 km ke bus yang nyampe drop ignition station jaga nomornya ke 1 km nata baru nomornya Indonesia mentang bilang keren pinjam senduk boleh kemudian di Jimbang dia step show mari yang makin salah bos dia Tinata Kindon ki water points, Kindon ki jaga ko aman ki kilometer. Aku berjumpa juga Expedition of India. Kantor di Peit Kindon jaga unggaru di jaga itu. Nata baru kinomore kini you yang tu transponder nunggu hujan karpet untuk slop nama kantor kini di Arkuway bagi sangat shop hujan bagi chip nama sangat komputer chip nama apa ketika run fun ketika shop buat Arkuway shop buat Arkuway itu yang baru bagi dia you tu mah kemudian kesesian waktu sedang diperlukan berbagai mana you itu mah kemudian ke rekod taping juga nata baru ki nomor kantor ke klub rumpas di pos tiba kita ambil kita laksam yang baru kita yang mereka kita melawan Pakistan laksam di baru yang pelan buat kerja jite bagi di buha yui nomor lawan ke jimare inwan sudah terjelas bagi pergi itu nomor ilaman shim daga terjadi bagi di tafla ilaman ko sakti mau to biar perlu kerja kam juga bagi mare tela karena kita bos kita ada contoh haka arko kilometer 10 kilometer berapa 1 kilometer Nataka haboro shifter indon ki volunteer, ladon ki volunteer haboro shifter haboro prati pluksa haboro prati ki sino hanaru lajatria hadu mosma kita sampai official kita berkedok di kebro ikam nadu beri nadu kendai ji bawa pai ba mission kinya yang haboro ki point ki bala ki donlan ki doktor ki nurse jadi itu dia ada juga kedua cikistom lah dan romru yang ka yaudah lah tho daga romru kerpang yaudah cuma kilometer kemudian arkuway kilometer arko kilometer kat handai kat pra kat nyau kan beri kemudian nomor itu dalam poin yaudah leo lajar poin di tahun bahaya pasca kali bola kedua Bosco nata kedua kita di emergency kerpat di nomor begin ada dun dulu ke kali ke ambulans ke bawah kita benar di dunia emergency kita di kali emergency syak baru kali jongkan Atlantic Expedition of India di technical official kita yang penyiap di Jemaah control di Jemaah hadir bahkan kita flag off punta berbun di 21 kita tidak cross kan saya lalu belum hadir sekitar ke 5K kita flag.
In celebration of its Golden Jubilee, the Meghalaya Board of School Education (MBOS) hosted an exhilarating inter-school tug-of-war competition at the new Tura field in West Garo Hills on Thursday. The day began with the grand inauguration ceremony and the competition commenced with tremendous enthusiasm, featuring 5 prominent schools from Tura. Each participating team, comprising 13 players, showcased their strength and teamwork, resulting in impressive performances. Montfort Centre of Education School triumphed in the girls' tug-of-war division, securing the gold medal, while Mothers Union Secondary School earned the silver medal as runners-up. In the boys' division, Don Bosco Secondary School emerged victorious, with Sherwood Secondary School securing the runner-up position. The event was graced by T.R. Lalu, Controller of Examinations at MBOS, who extended gratitude to the District Sports Officer for their collaboration and acknowledged the dedicated teachers present. The deserving winners received their prizes from Sora and Sangma, the joint DSEO West Garo Hills, Meghalaya, and Rolling Stone to M. Sangma, table tennis coach, concluding a day filled with sportsmanship and camaraderie.
So, angni bimungko Julimber S. Sangma mga, anga Deputy Director, ITS Branch, Meghalaya Board of School Education, Tura nga. At the same time, anga convener nga, event and program committee ni, Golden Jubilee celebration, MBOS ni kita. So, dalos nga yano Machogri LP School Philo, Chinga Dalo Inter School Taekwondo competition ko wata ha. Yaba Golden Jubilee celebration is a part one. Aro Chinga Kangchiba Dintang program ko wata na minga. Niba dalni bako de ya Inter School Taekwondo competition no Gumukmang team gi chikung bako ha. Boys aro girls ko raimuna. Wa maungoni Mothers Union Secondary School Tura, Bosco Higher Secondary School Tura. Rootland Secondary School Tura, Sherwood Secondary School Tura, Mountfort Center for Education Tura, Yarang jo girls category bakora gabarangwa. The boys category over ya Mothers Union Secondary School Tura, Bosco Higher Secondary School Tura, Rootland Secondary School Tura, Sherwood School Tura, Mountfort Center for Education Tura, Yamang Takoboro bakora angha bako. Even Yamangoni girls category winner onga para Mountfort Center for Education ni girls category winner onga aro Mothers Union School runner sapko manangska ha. Absan dake boys category Don Bosco School winner onga aro Sherwood School runner sap onga. Ya dalo chni ya ko ordenge da shakan gumen gitake Embos unik belsi sotbung waniko Golden Jubilee maninga unikri dawat nga yakul domos meba embos nga ya Golden Jubilee ko maninga aro ya absan ken chinga makhangchi ba dingtang program rang ko chinga organize kanga chanchinga jekai chinga canal 29 September chinga William Nagor ba absan ken Taekwondo inter school Taekwondo competition ko watangen aro uni jamano chinga 2nd of October inter school painting competition ko ba chinga watengya wade nangni ya embos campus no again then uni jamano chinga sni tarik ko chinga inter school choir competition ko ba watana chanchinga biap inter school choir competition ade chinga auditorium watana chanchinga program will be start ada 2 baje no chinga bache program ko then main event de jian chingi wa grand festival ngen jian chingi main event de chinga 18 or 19 of October chinga Green Haven on the singa.
So could you tell us who were the chief guests invited for the prize or any
that part is not under me now, right now. I won't be able to say.
Or at least who was invited?
For this thing for the 19th.
No, sir, for today's.
Or today?
Yes, sir, today. Who was invited?
Today, what was her name? I forgot her name. So actually, just gotten. Actually, we invite DSCO.
Okay.
But he deported his LDSCO.
Okay.
I think so. I don't know exactly his designation, her designation. So I have to get that.
Bharatiya Janata Party BJP leader Marak embarked on a whirlwind tour across various constituencies, villages and blocks in Tura to meet beneficiaries of several central government schemes, including the Jal Jeevan Mission, Job Card and Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, among others. During his visit to Asanang Rongram Block, Gambigre Block and Dadangre Block this week, Marak received numerous complaints from residents of several villages in these areas. These complaints primarily revolve around delays in the release of funds related to the material components of projects under the PMEY scheme. Addressing the concerns during his visit to Rongram Block, Marang highlighted that a significant portion of the population in the Garo Hills region had not yet enrolled for Aadhaar despite the government's notification mandating it. He urged all residents of the Garo Hills region who had not yet enrolled for Aadhaar to promptly do so. Providing an update on the progress of the PMEY scheme, Marak highlighted the government's commitment to providing affordable housing to beneficiaries in the region.
Dingtang blok rangko dao reininga mana bangbata centralist scheme rang nami implement ongjenga nimang songni mandarang ni complaint kani rang cha bangin mana ha oni gemen dao anga west garus ko yanti wenna chotong khainga mijala daluchi anga dalonga asanang blok ona ibaha rongra mona deke knalo anga gambigri chi angge to ya blok ko reuni niani somoyo anga beben public ning complaint chu adan manenga aniba blok ko kham khainga ba manderang je mangan filo kham khainga chum je mangan office kham khainga chum wa mangni gadong mai ko agan chakna kata nanga ba mai ni kani ro manenga chum wa rang ba thalan jotong khainga mana complaint ko manani gaman direct uko complaint ko mamang kesa sai chika maman ye gen chimode yade justify dongja oni mun dalu anga blok na rebai nakna manenga bangbata manderangan Aadhaar card ko tharina kata kenenga wa Aadhaar card ko thari jani asel Aadhaar card ko anta tani blok ko link khajani asel ba anta tani account link khajani asel thangkar ko manjainga aro matam rangara job card ni thangka bongbo nani nokrket nani bongbo tadi gemukon account ono sa waptenga oni gemun wa Aadhaar card ko tharina bariba manderang kenani asel wa songni job card ni payment namba matam biaprang blok ongnya oni gemun yako anga public na yatnaska Aadhaar card ko tharina kenna nangja na simang ko sabarang sajok sototok nirang kenatenga Aadhaar card ko tharin se sajok sototok si mamon deke nangija yade ke document song aya nani identity card deke song aya oni bun ya identity card baksa nani account nani job card nani gemu ko link khainga bicarani scholarship khona kangkang bai ko link khainga oni bun ya ko Aadhaar card ko tharin ni chichinga na aro sawai ko masina kata mana lao matam rangon asima nakna manenga je mangan nokjam dongsong jachum wa mangan ration card mamong badongje inde je mangan gari gora dongachum wa mang ration card donga patnangi agani ongje je mangan sorkari kham phainga chum wa mangan ration card allow chainga dalu warang ko chinga je mangan sorkari kham phainga chum je mangni jangi thangani ra thangdu ha wa mangni ration card rangni biapo cha khangal rangna na kataba manjainga mane Aadhaar card chinga masina manenga sawa mai dakaba kadang jangi thangia mai dakaba Bosco jangi thangia iko cherum na masina kata manenga oni gemen ani molatani de ya scheme rangko manna kata ya nokrket nani bongbo nani job card bongbo nani chi manani bongbo ya gemekon public ni kita ba daito donga aro wa kham rangko wa document rangko chugumko na mangen chimodi altwin ye scheme rangko implement kana kata manna oni gemen sakan tikon public ko khumong atna kata ska nasimangni onna nangaba document rangko nasimang thaina nangaba document rangko thari pabu Aadhaar card ko ba tharibo manian nangchomat ko document rangni ge songya.
So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.